So hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to our own Facebook page. In today's video, we are back again with the drawing series. So first we are making here is, you all might have got it with the ears, and it's a cute giraffe. I mean, look at those eyes, yeah. I mean, just look at them. They are so pretty. Okay, so your pretty eyes are all done, guys, and you can fill your favorite colors in them, but please don't. Okay, we already did it. I didn't know about that. That's like a surprise kind of thing. Now for making the next thing we are making here is a whale, and you have to be precise and please be steady because don't ruin these now. Okay, so I think she is like jumping in the water, as you all have seen whales doing that a lot of time, and done. So it's like first we'll tell you how to make them, and then it's like boom, surprise, and it's all filled with colors and pretty joyous drawings. Okay, now what we are making here is, she's a very happy bee, I think. She's happy, I don't know for what reason, but yeah, she is happy. Boom, surprise. Okay, every time when the color arises, I'll be like, oh, surprise. Okay, now we are making a cat here, and trust me, the eye part is the best. I mean, look how cute these eyes looking here. Done. Now moving on, the next part we are making here is, okay, the eyes are telling me it's SpongeBob. Okay, it is a SpongeBob. I mean, who don't know him, yaar? Everybody knows him. Who doesn't? And boom, surprise. Okay. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, okay, I thought that if SpongeBob is here, Patrick must be here, but okay, I think he's missing Patrick. Okay, now we are making a 3D looking mushroom here. Okay, I was very fascinated by them when I was a child, so yeah, I thought that these are really big as we see them in movies. But in reality, it's just totally opposite. These are so small. I mean, so small. And see, done. Okay, what are we making here? These are not trees, or are these trees? And I'm also trying to guess with you guys. So yeah. Oh, it is a birdhouse, kya? Kya? Acha. It is not even a birdhouse, yeah. It's a wall, yeah. You were not able to guess it, and you were thinking I'll guess it. Okay. So this bird clock is all done. Okay, I used to think about them, okay, they must be looking really nice, but when I got one at my home, I feel like, why is it buzzing all the time? Okay, so what we are making here is, it's a studious kind of what do you call it? Person? Yeah, you can call that, but I think it is a bunny because of that teeth. But there are no long ears, yaar. It is a squirrel, yaar, guys. What happened to you? Okay. I used to think that one day I'll live in them. I might have considered myself as dwarf, I don't know why. Okay, whatever. No, not that dwarf, yeah. Please don't mind. I was saying dwarf by, what do you call them? Those little creatures which are not in the real world. I don't know. Yeah, dwarfs only, na? Okay, whatever. I was talking to you guys while we made this one also.